Hi everyone, it's Nicole and I'm here with the new design prints or design files for this week. And I showed these last week, but I guess they weren't ready. So they're on the website this week. They're cartoon leaves and they come in a few different sizes. There's this sheet that has that you can use a 1.5 punch to punch them out, or you can cut them out. But you can use a 1.5 punch, a 1 1/4 punch, or again, fussy cut them, and then a 1-inch punch. And then you have the 2-inch sheet, so you can cut them out, or you can use a punch to punch them out. So you have the versatility of either cutting them out or using a punch. Then you have the big leaves that you can use as a photo mat on your layouts. And these ones, it comes 2 in 1 pack. So you have this here, so that's 2 for 1. All the bigger leaves like this, they come 2 for 1. And so that's the cartoon leaves. So that's one of the last fall files that we're going to have. We're probably going to have some fall words, but that'll be coming next week. The next file or the next digital print is bats. And this too, it fits in the punches. So 1.5, 1 1/4, 1 inch. And then you have some that is just the blackout, and you have some that have the little bat all drawn out. And that too, that's a 2 for 1. So you get those 2 digital files for the price of 1. So for $1.50, you get both. And then you get the 2-inch bat, and this one too. You get both for $1.50, so you get the drawn out one and the blackout one. And then you get 2 of the large ones that you can use as a large die cut on your layout, or as, part of a photo mat. So you get the one that's kind of drawn out, and then the blackout one. So again, these ones here are 2 for 1. Then, because we started doing these large embellishments, I was like, but we didn't do that with our first embellishment, which was the viewfinder. So now, this week, there is available in the large viewfinder in our store. So you'll have apples and oranges. There's going to be 2 files. Summer Carnival, 2 files, 2 in 1. So there's going to be apples and oranges, and it'll come in 2 files. Summer Carnival will come in 2 files. Now, with Pastel Paradise, we're going to have Pastel Paradise 1 and 2. So in Pastel Paradise, there'll be 2 of them. And then in Pastel Paradise 1, there's going to be 3 files. And then in Pastel Paradise 2, there's going to be 2 files. Same thing with Cozy Cafe. That one, there's going to be 1 and 2. And then there's going to be 2 of each. I'm not sure which one comes in 1 and which one comes in 2, but there's going to be Cozy Cafe 1, Cozy Cafe 2. Then there's Seasoned Spices. Same thing. There's going to be Seasoned Spice 1 and Seasoned Spice 2. And then there is Radiant Rainbow. So the same thing. There's going to be Radiant Rainbow 1 and Radiant Rainbow 2. Now, if you notice, apples and oranges is really close. The green is really close, and the red and the orange. But what he did was he made so that the larger viewfinder is a different color. The red is not the same, but at least it's a different size. And by the way, the sizes of those are, let me find the Cozy Cafe. The big one is 5.5. The medium one is 4 3/4, and the little one is 3.5. So that is all the digital files in our shop, the new digital files in our shop this week. Nope, that's not true. We also have light gray 1 and dark gray 2. Or light gray 1, dark gray 1, sorry. Light gray 1, dark gray 1, and there's going to be 2 files in each. And I just want to remind you that I am doing right now a design team call out for the digital prints. So if you're interested, you can go back a few videos and look at that video, or go to NicoleJones911.com and look at all the details. And that's also where you can purchase the digital prints. And I want to thank you so much for watching. Bye.